speeds on this curve. This is George summiting Jubile Pass at, what time is it? 3:38. He's gonna have a 1 mile descent and then a 9.5 mile climb after this. And then a generally downhill to Shoshone.
See why I like dogs like this? Oh, I'm sorry.
There's the sign. I told you it was up here.
Where?
Right there. It's brown.
Oh.
Get the picture, Jason. Good job, hun. Oh. No stopping on the descent. What the?
That's,
Not a good place to stop.
what's her name? Amanda.
Oh, is it? Thank you. Oh, Jesus.
Good.
That's good.